talking about CloudFront and its hands-on. So CloudFront is a content delivery network. It improves read performance, content is cached at the edge, improves user experience, 216 point of presence globally, DDoS protection, integration with Shield, AWS Web Application Firewall, CloudFront versus S3 cross replication, region replication, CloudFront global edge network, files are attached for TTL, maybe a day, great for static content that must be available everywhere. S3 cross region replication must be set up for each region you want replication to happen. Files are updated in near real time, read only, great for dynamic content that needs to be available at low latency in few region. Now for hands-on, search for S3, click create bucket, enter some bucket name, click create bucket, go to your newly created bucket, click upload, click add files, click upload, go to your file, click open, and it will generate a pre-signed URL for you. If you copy the object URL and try to open the file, it will not work. So we want CloudFront to make this file accessible without making them public. Search for CloudFront, click create a CloudFront distribution in origin domain, pick your S3 bucket, select the origin access control settings in your origin access and click control settings, click create, and default root object, enter the file name which you want to make it accessible, click create distribution. So click create bucket, enter your bucket name, then click create bucket, click upload. So while uploading, so Stefan has uploaded an index.html file and 2 images. So I will tell you how this relates to future, how this thing relates just in a minute. Then click add files. So here he has uploaded index.html and 2 images file. Now go to your bucket, click on open for any of the file, for suppose for index.html, and in index.html he is referring those 2 images. Okay, so now click on open. Now if you click on open, it will open properly, but you won't see your images, you can only see the index.html. But if you copy the object URL, then you won't even see your index.html, because object URL does not contains the pre-signed URL, whereas if you click on open, it contains the pre-signed URL, but it cannot display the images, it can only show index.html. Next, search for CloudFront, click create a CloudFront distribution, enter some select your S3 bucket, in choose an AWS origin, then in origin access select origin access control settings, click create control settings, then in name enter the name would be autofilled, just click create. Then so in default root object, so here we are, that's why entering index.html, that is the root file. Click create distribution. I'm not sure how, suppose if there is no index.html and if we just have images, I'm not sure what exactly you will enter over here instead of index.html, because each images are independent of each other. So click create distribution, then you have to wait till the last modified displays a particular date. So it will display some date once it is deployed correctly. Next, go to permissions of your S3 bucket, and you have to copy this policy as well. You will see this copy policy option, and you can go to permissions of S3 bucket, click edit, and copy the S3 policy. Now suppose if you are not able to get the policy from over here, another way to get the policy is you have to go to the origins of your cloud distribution, CloudFront, sorry, select the CloudFront which you have created, click edit. Now scroll down and you can copy the policy. Okay, now go to general tab, wait till the last modified is deployed, so you should see a particular date instead of deploying. Now copy the distribution name, distribution domain name, paste it inside the browser, and you should see index.html file been rendered along with the 2 images it was referencing as well. So yeah, so you will see a pop-up saying S3 bucket policy needs to be updated. Click copy policy. In case you don't see the pop-up, go to origin tab, select your CloudFront, click edit, scroll down, and you should see copy policy. Go to S3 bucket, go to permissions tab, click edit and paste the policy, click save changes. Go to CloudFront, go to general tab, wait till the status of last modified is added. Now copy the distribution domain name and paste it inside the browser, and you should see index.html file. If you reload it second time, it loads from cache.